Hey, it's Max here. So I want to do a quick, cool chatbot review. So I have not done this before. So I just want to do maybe a weekly or every 2 weeks. I want to explain something about a bot that I came across with, like something that I thought was like interesting or inspiring. So today we're going to start with the Jamie Oliver board. So I have it right here on my phone. I will also share it here. So let's just get into this. I thought this one was quite funny. It's different than I had seen. So we are going to click get started. So the first thing that's happening is like the welcome message and saying like, hey, welcome to Jamie's amazing recipe generator, and then with lots of smileys. So everything in this bot is about smileys. So we can generate some recipes, and I think this is really cool. So you get like Jamie Oliver's recipes, and you can like find those by using emojis. So you can, for example, here click the pizza, and then we're going to get pizza emojis, and then they have some kind of funny sentence with it. So they say like, "Hey, we'll have a slice of that," and then you get some pizza recipes, and then you see that the last gallery slide here is it's like the kind of call to action, like, "Hey, buy the book." So it's like by providing a lot of value, like really lots of value, and then they're like giving a call to action like, hey, if you like these, then you could buy this book if you want. So it's quite cool here. So you can try all kinds of emojis. So I was like experimenting a bit around. So you can, for example, click the avocado, and then we get some avocado recipes. And you're like, okay. So I was like, okay, I have to do something that's a little bit more challenging. So what happens if I send a spider? Like, did they think about that? So I sent a spider, and they say like, like no recipes for that here. Send us another emoji or try one of these. So they give you also like some alternatives. So it's just really funny. Like you can send all kinds of emojis. You can also do this one, the air, and then they're like, hey, are you in a hurry? That's lucky. We've got loads of quick, easy, super tasty recipes. So yeah, I think this is just really cool. It's like a really cool trick that they're doing here. Like they're just making it super engaging and fun for the user. So I thought this would maybe inspire you to do something like this in your messenger bot, just like surprise users, but like funny sentences in the bot. So yeah, I think it's quite cool. I also think they did the call to action quite smart. So they're just providing value, and they're not really talking about the book. Like they mentioned that there is a book, and you can also click the quick reply by book. Let's see what happens then if you click that. Yeah, and then we just get like we get this again, where you can buy it. And I guess when you click that, you go to their web shop. Yeah, and then you go to Amazon. All right. Yeah, I think it's super cool. Just wanted to show you guys. Let me know what you think of this in the comments. And if you would like a review about another cool bot that you've seen, then just let me know. Just post a link to the bot below. Okay, that's it for today, and we will talk soon.